Hello, it's Brian with 7 Out Wood NC, and I have been working on my Craftsman Contractor Series 10-inch table saw. I got it as I inherited it from someone in my wife's family, and it was in rough shape. So what I have done is I went on the internet and found the splitter and the paws that go with it, that mount it on the back right there, as you can see. And you can see that I changed the arbor pulley up in there, and the motor pulley to a machine stainless pulley, and that came with the linkable belt. So that was another upgrade I did. And one thing I did with the actual table itself, and I've seen this on the internet, some other people have done it. What I've done is I've taken the cast iron web wings and I've cut the rails here so it'll actually fold down and save me valuable shop space that I don't have. So when I want to use it, I take those screws out and then I can bolt it up in the position that it needs to be in when I want to extend the table saw. But I just used it a few moments ago on a project I'm working on for a person, and I folded up this one side and it was enough for me to cut what I needed to. I have a 60-tooth blade on there. This is the Craftsman stock rail, and what I've done here on the bottom, and I don't know if you're going to be able to see this, I've actually installed a PowerTech, I believe that's the company, dust collection on the bottom of it, so when all the dust falls, it falls at a steep angle into the 4-inch dust collection pipe. Put a couple of PVC pipes on the side here to hold my push block, and on the other side I installed a little small piece of 4-inch pipe to put my angle jig on the bottom of the saw. And the last thing, or one of the first things I did, but the last thing I'm going to show, is I've installed this Harbor Freight stand that rolls, and it was fairly simple to do. It wasn't bad at all. And so my dust collection from my saw, it goes up through here and goes back there. There's a pipe that comes up and goes through the wall to my dust collection outside of the shop. And that's what's collecting all the sawdust that I'm creating. I've had to empty it once. I've had it set up for probably a couple months now, but what really creates a lot of dust chips is when I'm either using the joiner or the planer. But that is the little video I wanted to do on my upgrades to my Craftsman table saw. I believe I've done about everything I can to it, but I hope you like it, and visit my Etsy shop, 7 Out Wood NC. check out some of the things I build. You have a great day. Thank you.